Hello and welcome. I'm excited to personally guide you through our solution and show you how it works. At 2RBC-AI, we've built an innovative platform that redefines cloud computing, making your infrastructure seamless, efficient, and simple to use. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through onboarding process so you can get the most out of our solution. Let's get started. Sign up. Please ensure the email address you provide is accurate and accessible, as you will be prompted to validate it to complete your registration. Now download Google Authenticator and add your account. As you choose your plan, let's talk about what makes our model different. You won't see line items for CPU, memory, or resource spikes. That's because our flat fee is for a complete outcome, not a list of parts. This price covers your primary production environment. We give that environment everything it needs to run at its best for one predictable cost. When you see premium resources, it means our platform is engineered to deliver that premium performance automatically. But our approach goes beyond just pricing. We provide a complete out-of-the-box platform for your entire application lifecycle. Your plan includes a managed control plane, an enterprise-grade database with a secure IDE, full logging and search, and deep performance monitoring. You also get a built-in AI pipeline to power your modern applications, all backed by our expert support. And we're just getting started. We're constantly evolving, with features like AI-powered code fix and a self-service AI BI tool already on our roadmap. The price you see is for a complete, future-proof platform. We handle the infrastructure, so you can focus on building what's next. Stop buying servers, start shipping code. After your payment is confirmed, you will be redirected to GitHub to install the 2RBC-AI application. Please log in and approve the installation to connect your account. Start by configuring your repositories. Alright, let's configure your deployment. We've designed this to be fast, flexible, and incredibly secure. First, tell us how your application is packaged. If you already have a Docker file in your repository, simply select Yes. We'll use it to build and deploy your application automatically. If you don't have one, no problem. Select No and simply choose your programming language and framework from the list. We'll handle the rest, creating an optimized and secure build for you. Next, the application port. This is the specific door your application uses to listen for incoming traffic. Just enter the port number your code is configured to use. If you don't know, we will provide it for you. Now for the domain setup. Want to make your application publicly accessible? Simply enable this option. We automatically handle all the complexities for you, providing SSL certificates, handling routing, and ensuring your domain is securely connected and live. Security is paramount. Instead of putting sensitive data in your code, use our built-in secret manager. This is the industry's best practice for protecting API keys and database credentials. Simply add your secrets here. To access them securely, you'll just need to add a small pre-written code snippet to your application, which is available in our documentation. Finally, for any non-sensitive configuration, like feature flags or public keys, add them here in the environment variables section. And that's it. With these simple settings, your repository is configured for a secure, scalable deployment. You're ready to go live. Explore our video tutorials in the Support and Documents section of your dashboard to master powerful features like automatic service discovery, performance monitoring, our Model Context Protocol, MCP for AI integration, advanced logging, and much more.